Boy, well, thank you always for staying with Sunrise. He's a freelance photographer and videographer with a personal brand and business called Vogue, Pixel Jamaica. He aspires to become a popular and successful social media influencer and to travel the world, experiencing new things day by day. He's known to take us on some unimaginable task alongside his friend Claude A. Watkins. Let's welcome Noel, as the Americans say, but Noel Smith, to share more. Good morning and welcome to Sunrise, sir.
Morning.
Listen, when we hear Vogue, so many things come to mind. We hear fashion, representing a specific period of time. We talk about poses. We talk about, what else? Style.
Anything that's trending currently.
That's trending. Now, what was the thinking behind all of this when you decided that this is what you're going to be doing?
It's one day, one day.
You just get up one day.
Yeah, and the idea just come to mind, plus the internet.
Yeah.
So everything come to mind. Everything just spark as one time. I mean, I have a dictionary app on my phone, and every day you get a new word after day. You get a word after day.
Right.
So Vogue was the word that pop up on the day there, and I read it, and I said, wait. I like the name, and the meaning behind it makes sense. As everything what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to be current or something that's popping in this current time. So comes more with the name there.
Right. So let me ask you this. You were a photographer and a videographer prior to starting this particular project?
Yeah, man. So everything behind the project was mainly photography from the start. From 2016, I start use the name. I go search online if nobody else have the name. Nobody else have the name except the fashion brand name Vogue.
Yeah.
But I add more to it. So it started as photography mainly.
Right.
You said, Adrian was reading and said you want to be a social media influencer.
Yes.
It's a current thing. But I want you to help us to understand what that is. Because you say you find Vogue, but then I read the shirt and it says rogue. So I want to know if a social media influencer is somebody who go rogue so them can Vogue. But you would just help me understand.
All right, so my definition as a social media influencer, a successful social media influencer.
Oh, successful. All right,
it would be someone of a good image and and a good person for say, I can follow that person, I can be influenced by that person. Other, possible companies or coffee companies can use me as them brand ambassador. For example, this is a magnetic company. They sell magnets overseas in the US, and they sponsor me. I do magnetic
fishing.
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to get to that, but we just want to know Rogue and Vogue.
Yeah, it just happens that them have the name Rogue, and I use the name Vogue. So they reach out to me and send me a couple of products to use for my YouTube channel, and see the social media influencer lifestyle started right there. So.
So where and who do you film? And what comes to mind when you plan your day's activity?
All right, so I film myself. It will be me and Claude as always. Yeah. I shoot mainly in Kingston. Sometimes I go outside of Kingston, like
the highway.
Paul Vogue. Good. Little nephew.
So I will go Portland, St. Mary. St. Mary is the furthest I go so far in terms of the magnet fishing for YouTube. St. Mary is the furthest I go so far.
So what's the impact this have on the viewing audience? I mean,
well, most people, most Jamaicans, if not all, they always ask me how you can catch fish with a magnet. I'm always have to answer, I'm not fishing for fish, I'm fishing for treasure, something that can be considered treasure, or anything that can stick to the magnet. It's a different, I'm a different thing.
So magnetic fishing. No, before him go
one day. Hold on. Anything can stick to the magnet. Yes. Suppose it stick to the magnet and pull it down.
Well, That not happening yet.
He's finding this funny. All right, so scenario, cause you influenced me right there.
To go on fish with
magnet.
Yeah.
Cause like me, I go to Port Royal, cause the Buccaneers was over there. But how you know, like, so you fish, like if you go Hanover and you fishing at the water side and where them did find the goal.
Yeah.
The neurological deficient goal down there. So, we can get like a contract like go rogue and stuff like that. Magnetic rogue fishing kind of thing.
Well, first thing first, goal does not have any compound to stick to magnet.
But you say I'm neurologically deficient, so yeah, see me learn something.
But I do metal detecting as well. I have a metal detector that can find the goal.
Yeah.
So if it was real gold, if it is real gold, well, it's a compound that consists of, it's a crystal substance, right?
You're socially influenced, right? But all I want is, it's so like you can get a job with the JCF because the gun them are iron.
Listen, no, without going
so you can magnetic fish and find the guns.
Yeah.
And then Paul Vogel nephew.
Him walk from a distance.
Hold on.
To find, I think we're fighting crime.
Oh God. Well,
how can we find you? That's really what we want to know. How can we follow you so you can influence us some more? This is entertaining. I'm not clowning you. I'm being
it's
real.
entertaining, and that's why I find it very hilarious.
You can be influenced by me on Instagram at Vogue Boss _ just Vogue Boss _ on YouTube, Magnet Fishing Jamaica. That's it.
And where will you be going next?
Next is Flatbridge. Once more.
Brother, some dopey out there, you know.
Well,
I can't find the dopey and the dopey can't stick to the dopey.
No, magnet and dopey no agree.
Anyhow, thank you. We wish you well and continue to inspire those individuals who not only find your craft meaningful, but interesting as well, and hope to be influenced in such a way that they see it also as a career. We wish you well.
All right, thank you for
You're
having
very
me.
welcome.